Okay, we are on the next number 7 where we're asked to graph. Okay, so here we go. My amplitude is 2. My midline is 1. My B is 6/7. And we have no parentheses. C is 0. Okay, so here we go. We got a calculator period. So it's 2 pi divided by 6/7. Keep, change, and flip. 14 pi over 6. We can take a 2 out. So we get 7 pi over 3. Because we have no C, it's 0/6/7 is 0. My end, remember it's PD plus PS. So here we go, my start. Okay. If you need to see that, just please hit pause. Here we go. Let's graph this little guy. Midline is at 1. Oops. We're going to go up to 1, 2, down to 1, 2. Okay. It's a sine curve. We start here at the center, up, down, and here. And this is what? 7 pi over 3. And we're done. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Let's do the other one. Y equals 3 sine 8 theta plus 15 pi over 14. Okay. Amplitude is at 3. My midline, because we have nothing in the back, 0. B is 8, and C is 15 pi over 14. Okay, so period, 2 pi over 8, which we can reduce to pi over 4. Phase shift, opposite of C. I'm going to do it this way since we have fractions. Divided by 8. Keep, change, flip. Ooh, this is going to not be a pretty number. Don't know what 14 times 8 is. 112. Lord help me. Okay, this is going to be my start. I'm going to give myself a little bit more room for this end. Period, which was pi over 4 plus phase shift, which is 112. Okay, so 112 is our common denominator. So 28 pi over 112 minus 15 pi over 112. And I believe that's 13 pi over 112. Okay, just please be aware we're starting on the negative side and we're going to end on the positive. Amplitude was 3, midline was 0, so 1, 2, 3. I'm going to draw a line here. 1, 2, 3. Draw a line here. It's a sine curve, so I'm going to start on the negative side. And there you go. PS, negative 15 pi over 112, all the way to 13 pi over 112. Okay. And last but not least, your favorite word problems. Okay. John's boat stops running and is now drifting in the bay. The boat is currently located over the deepest part of the bay at 200 feet, and there's a storm approaching. According to the reports, the waves could reach a height of 10 feet every 20 seconds. Determine the sign function. Okay. Height, so my amplitude here is 10. They did tell us its sign. And we know our period here is 20. So B is 2 pi over 20, which is just pi over 10. We don't know much after that. They did tell us the deepest part, but not enough information for that. So here we go, y equals 10 sine pi over 10. And there you go. Okay, a researcher studied the eating habits of male lions. He observes the average amount of meat consumed is 60 pounds every 3 days. He also observes the amount of meat the lion consumes can vary up to 20 pounds depending upon the size of the prey. Okay, here we go. My period, remember, is a time, so it's 3. My midline is 60, and my amplitude is 20. And here they tell me it's a sine function. So B is just going to be 2 pi over 3. So here we go. Y equals amplitude 20 sine 2 pi over 3 theta. Ooh, I forgot my theta up here. Sorry about that. Midline plus 60. Okay. I hope this helps, and I wish you luck on your test. Bye, guys.